Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable visual alerts for notifications in Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and easy way. Just search settings, then open settings, now here click on ease of access, then color filters, then here click on audio. Now here guys you will see setting show audio alerts visually. Select how visual alerts for notifications are displayed. So there are some options like flash the title bar of the active window, flash the active window, flash the entire screen. So you can select any option from these last three to enable and turn on visual alerts for notifications. Select any option. That's it. So thanks for watching, and this is the way guys you can enable and turn on visual alert for notification.